In this video, we listed the 16 best latest home gadgets for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Smart Folding Treadmill. The Smart Folding Treadmill is a versatile and compact fitness solution designed for modern lifestyles, especially suited for use in home offices and small living spaces. Engineered for convenience and functionality, this foldable walking pad easily stores away under furniture or against a wall, making it ideal for users who want to stay active without sacrificing space. What sets this treadmill apart is its adaptive speed technology, which automatically adjusts the walking pace based on your steps, offering a hands-free, intuitive walking experience. Whether you're taking light strolls during virtual meetings or getting in a brisk walk during a break, this smart treadmill adapts to your needs. Perfect for multitasking professionals, remote workers, and anyone looking to integrate more movement into their day, the under-desk treadmill fits seamlessly into any routine. Product 2. Product name: Dry Erase Whiteboard with Stand. The Dry Erase Whiteboard with Stand is a practical and versatile tool designed for a wide range of settings, including classrooms, offices, and home workspaces. This erasable whiteboard comes equipped with a sturdy support bracket, making it stable and easy to set up on any desk or table. Available in A3 and A4 sizes, it is compact yet spacious enough to facilitate clear writing and visuals, ideal for school presentations, brainstorming sessions, personal organization, or creative drawing. Its dry erase surface ensures smooth writing with any standard whiteboard marker and allows effortless erasing without leaving stains or ghost marks. The integrated stand design eliminates the need for wall mounting, offering excellent portability and flexibility, especially in environments where mobility and space optimization are essential. This whiteboard is a great addition to your collection of productivity and educational tools, complementing other smart accessories like digital thermometers, mini tools, and even high-tech gear such as smartwatches and GPS devices, ensuring a well-rounded and efficient workspace. Smartphones. Product 3. Product name: DWAS 400 ml Automatic Stirring Cup. The DWAS 400 ml Automatic Stirring Cup is a modern and convenient solution for anyone who enjoys hot beverages like coffee, milk, or hot chocolate. This rechargeable electric mixer cup stands out with its 316 stainless steel construction, ensuring both durability and safe contact with beverages. Designed with a magnetic rotating mechanism, it automatically stirs your drink with the touch of a button, no spoon needed. This cup is perfect for busy mornings, work desks, or travel scenarios where efficiency and cleanliness are key. With a 400 ml capacity, it's an ideal size for a standard serving, and the spill-resistant lid adds to its portability. The magnetic mixing technology creates a smooth, evenly blended drink without leaving any lumps, making it a great companion for protein shakes, instant coffee, and other powdered beverages. Product 4. Product name: Chandelier Sharpening Stone. The Chandelier Sharpening Stone is a compact yet efficient two-stage electric knife sharpener designed to keep your kitchen blades razor-sharp with minimal effort. Featuring diamond and ceramic sharpening slots, this tool is perfect for both coarse and fine sharpening, making it suitable for restoring dull blades and maintaining sharp edges on a variety of knives. Unlike traditional whetstones, this electric sharpener offers precision and convenience, combining diamond, steel, and ceramic materials to ensure durability and high performance. Whether you're working with stainless steel chef knives, utility blades, or even ceramic knives, the Chandelier sharpener offers a safe, user-friendly experience right at home. Ideal for everyday kitchen use, this sharpener fits well into modern households looking for efficient, low-maintenance sharpening solutions. Product 5. Product name: Ceiling Fan Cleaner. The Ceiling Fan Cleaner Duster with two detachable dusting heads and an adjustable extension pole is a practical cleaning tool designed specifically for tackling hard-to-reach ceiling fan blades and other elevated surfaces in your home. In line with your interest in effective and convenient household tools, this fan blade cleaner provides an easy and efficient solution to removing dust, dirt, and halogens from overhead fixtures without the need for ladders or stools. Equipped with 2 interchangeable microfiber heads, the cleaner adapts to various cleaning tasks, perfect for both wide ceiling fan blades and tighter spaces. Their microfiber material traps dust rather than just pushing it around, ensuring a thorough clean with minimal effort. The telescopic extension pole can be adjusted to reach high ceilings, vaulted rooms, or light fixtures, making it ideal for general household maintenance. Product 6. Product name: 4 Tiers Spice Rack Organizer. The 4 Tiers Spice Rack Organizer is a multifunctional and space-saving solution designed to bring order and accessibility to your kitchen essentials. Crafted from durable metal, this organizer offers 4 spacious tiers that are perfect for neatly arranging spice jars, condiments, and other small kitchen items. Whether placed on a countertop, inside a cabinet, or in a pantry, this versatile spice rack maximizes vertical space and keeps everything within easy reach. Ideal for kitchens where organization is key, the 4-tier design helps reduce clutter and enhances visibility, allowing you to quickly find the ingredient you need while cooking. Its sleek and sturdy structure not only holds jars securely but also adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor. This spice racks tool is perfect for households that value efficiency and style in their storage solutions, complementing a wide range of kitchen accessories and appliances like digital meat thermometers, mini wood planers, and even compact EDC tools, all contributing to a more organized and functional home setup. Product 7. Product name: Modern LED Crystal Ceiling Lamp. The Modern LED Crystal Ceiling Lamp is a sophisticated lighting fixture designed to elevate the ambience of any space with a blend of contemporary aesthetics and luxurious crystal elegance. Perfect for home decoration, this lamp serves as both a functional light source and a statement piece, enhancing the visual appeal of living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, or dining areas. Featuring energy-efficient LED technology, the lamp offers bright, long-lasting illumination while minimizing electricity consumption. Its crystal accents reflect and refract light beautifully, creating a shimmering effect that adds a touch of opulence to modern interiors. Whether you're upgrading your home lighting or aiming to complement your existing decor, this chandelier-style ceiling light merges practicality with high-end design. Product 8. Product name: Wabi Sabi Restaurant LED Chandelier Light. The Wabi Sabi Restaurant LED Chandelier Light is a uniquely crafted lighting fixture that embodies the essence of Japanese minimalism and rustic elegance. Ideal for modern interiors seeking a blend of natural texture and contemporary flair, this designer hanging lamp is perfect for bars, restaurants, bedrooms, and homestays, creating a calming and inviting ambience. Made with cement material, it showcases the raw, unrefined beauty typical of Wabi Sabi aesthetics, embracing imperfections as part of its charm. Featuring LED lighting, this chandelier not only offers energy efficiency but also delivers a warm and gentle glow, enhancing the atmosphere of any living room or bedside space. Whether installed as a centerpiece in a dining area or as a subtle accent in a home decor setup, its simple geometric form and neutral tones make it highly versatile. This hanging light seamlessly fits into interiors that prioritize organic materials, soft lighting, and a sense of tranquility, making it a stylish and thoughtful choice for modern, mindful living. Product 9. Product name: Infrared Massager Cushion. The 54 Heads Heating Infrared Massager Cushion is an advanced full-body electric massage mattress designed to deliver deep relaxation and effective pain relief through a combination of vibration, infrared heat, and multi-point massage therapy. With its 54 strategically positioned massage nodes, this cushion targets multiple pressure points across the body, including the neck, back, shoulders, waist, thighs, and legs, making it ideal for users seeking full-body stress relief and improved circulation. Operating on 110V power, the cushion incorporates infrared heating technology to penetrate deep into the muscles, promoting faster recovery and relaxation. The gentle warmth combined with rhythmic vibration helps ease muscle tension, reduce fatigue, and soothe aches caused by daily activities or long hours of work. Whether used at home, in the office, or while lying on a bed or sofa, the vibrating massage mattress is perfect for individuals who want a portable and effective therapy solution. Product 10. Product name: Smart Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike. The Smart Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike is a compact, high-performance piece of fitness equipment designed for users who want to stay active, burn calories, and maintain their health from the comfort of home. Engineered with a magnetic resistance system, it offers a whisper-quiet ride, perfect for early morning workouts or late-night sessions without disturbing others. Its smart features, such as app connectivity, real-time fitness tracking, and customizable resistance levels, allow users to monitor progress, join virtual spin classes, and stay motivated. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned cyclists, this mini indoor bike is space-saving yet sturdy, making it an excellent choice for apartments or small home gyms. With its focus on weight loss, cardio improvement, and endurance building, it's a versatile and efficient tool for achieving fitness goals in a quiet, tech-savvy way. Product 11. Product name: Electric Meat Grinder. An electric meat grinder with stainless steel blades is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for efficient and quick meat processing at home. This multifunctional tool serves various purposes, including grinding meat for burgers, sausages, and other dishes. The sausage maker and kibbe kit attachments further expand its use by allowing you to create homemade sausages or prepare traditional kibbe, a dish popular in Middle Eastern cuisine. Made with durable stainless steel, this meat grinder ensures longevity and reliability, while also providing easy cleaning and maintenance. The powerful motor ensures smooth and consistent grinding, while the different grinding plates allow you to adjust the texture of the meat, from coarse to fine. This makes it ideal for preparing ground meat for recipes like meatballs, meatloaf, or filling for stuffed foods. Whether you're a home cook or a culinary enthusiast, an electric meat grinder can significantly reduce preparation time and enhance the versatility of your kitchen. Product 12. Product name: Desk Lamp Hydroponic Indoor Herb Garden Kit. The Desk Lamp Hydroponic Indoor Herb Garden Kit is an innovative solution for growing herbs, flowers, and vegetables indoors, combining the convenience of hydroponics with the functionality of a smart LED desk lamp. This kit is perfect for individuals looking to cultivate fresh herbs and plants in small spaces such as apartments, kitchens, or offices. The hydroponic system eliminates the need for soil, offering a cleaner and more efficient way to grow plants by using water and nutrient solutions. The smart multifunction LED lamp provides optimal light conditions for plant growth, with adjustable settings to cater to various stages of growth, from seedling to flowering. It utilizes energy-efficient LED technology, offering both growth light and general lighting in one sleek, space-saving design. Whether you are an experienced gardener or a beginner, this kit is user-friendly, with automated features that make it easier to maintain the right environment for plant development. Product 13. Product name: Mask New Neck Air Conditioner. The Mask New Neck Air Conditioner is a portable, rechargeable, and wearable cooling device designed to provide hands-free relief from hot weather. Its bladeless design ensures safety, preventing hair from getting caught, making it suitable for both children and adults. The fan features 22 air outlets around the neck, delivering a consistent and cooling breeze. It operates quietly, generating noise levels as low as 36 dB, ensuring minimal disturbance during use. With a battery life ranging from 6 to 10 hours, depending on the selected speed, it offers extended cooling for various activities. The device is versatile, suitable for indoor and outdoor use, including offices, subways, traveling, camping, picnics, hiking, cooking, and study rooms. Product 14. Product name: New 15 Grid Silicone Ice Cube Molds. The new 15 Grid Silicone Ice Cube Molds is a versatile and durable kitchen accessory ideal for creating perfectly shaped ice cubes for your drinks. With a big tray design, this mold features 15 individual compartments that allow for the creation of larger, more uniform ice blocks, making it perfect for whiskey, cocktails, or other beverages typically served on the rocks. Made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, the mold is reusable, ensuring long-lasting durability and providing an eco-friendly alternative to disposable plastic ice trays. Its flexible silicone material makes it easy to pop out the ice cubes without any hassle, while the non-stick surface ensures smooth release. The mold's sturdy construction allows it to handle both regular and larger ice cubes with ease, which can be particularly useful for bar setups, pubs, or home entertaining. Product 15. Product name: Electric Spin Scrubber Cordless. The electric spin scrubber cordless cleaning brush is a versatile cleaning tool designed to make household cleaning easier and more efficient. This cordless model comes with 9 replaceable brush heads, each tailored for different cleaning tasks, making it a great option for cleaning various surfaces like bathroom tiles, kitchen floors, and appliances. With its rechargeable battery, the scrubber offers the freedom to move around without worrying about cords, providing greater flexibility during use. Its ergonomic design helps reduce strain on your hands and wrists, while the spinning motion of the brush heads ensures thorough cleaning with minimal effort. The retractable handle also enhances convenience, allowing for easy storage and adjustment based on cleaning needs. Perfect for tackling tough grime and hard-to-reach areas, this electric scrubber is an excellent addition to your home cleaning routine, especially for those who want a more efficient and less physically demanding way to clean. Product 16. Product name: Portable Flower Bud Desk Lamp. The Portable Flower Bud Desk Lamp is a versatile and stylish lighting solution that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. This lamp features a USB touch switch, allowing for easy operation with a simple touch. Its adjustable dimming function provides customizable lighting, making it suitable for various settings such as a bedroom, bedside, or outdoor camping. The design mimics a flower bud, adding a decorative touch to any room or outdoor space. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, this lamp serves as a decorative light for any setting, offering a soft and calming illumination. Whether you're using it as a night light in the bedroom, a bedside companion for reading, or a portable lighting solution during camping trips, its compact and lightweight design ensures easy transport and setup.